What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Geek. This is the Fujiyama Japan digital filter from my Samyang 35mm f2.8 full frame lens. So it's a 14.5mm. First I was thinking to buy for the hood, so without the hood, yes, this is the hood, but I said no, I wanna use the hood. I mean, this is the tiniest hood in the world, as you can see. Then I bought this one for the hood. Before I was thinking to buy the digital clear filter for the lens, but I now bought it for the hood because I'm gonna use it with the hood a lot. As you can see, let me just take out. Here we go. Let me just screw it. Oh, it's very easy to screw. I'm gonna be honest here. Literally too easy to screw. Let me just do like that. Wow, bye Nara. Wow. I just turn on. Okay, remove the cap. I mean, this is how it looks from the front, as you can see. But if I really don't want to take with the lens, I can just remove the hood. Is a better solution. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.